Welcome to Class 4. Acknowledge means to accept or admit. Example: he acknowledged his mistakes. Acorn means nut of an oak tree. Example: the squirrel eats acorn. Acquaintance means a person you know. Example: he is just an acquaintance, not a close friend. Acquire means to get or obtain. Example: she acquired new skills. Acre means unit of land measurement. Example: the farm has 10 acres of land. Acrobat means gymnast, performer. Example: the acrobat jumped high. Across means from one side to the other. Example: he walked across the road. Act means to do something. Example: she acted bravely. Acting means performing in a plan or film. Example: he is good at acting. Action means doing something. Example: we must take action now.